Good morning all. Welcome to Market Outlook. First of all, let's have a brief review. Last day, that means on Friday, Indian indices entered lower, snapping its 3 days winning streak. Actually, the market started trading positively, tracking the positive cues overseas market, but the market did not move well as even though we had got positive data from the parliament. Actually, the much awaited policy reforms on FDI allotment, the 51% FDI allotment in multi-brand retail have been approved in both houses of the parliament, but it didn't give much more sentiments in the Indian indices because that sentiment has already been factored before the market's opening, because earlier it was approved in Lok Sabha, so that already gave positive sentiment, and the market had already risen on that news. The market started trading positively, as I said, and in the later part of the session we witnessed a lot of volatility. Actually, the volatility rose because the later part of the session 7.3 magnitude earthquake hit the northern coast of the Japan, and it gave 1 meter tsunami warning also. So after that news, the market witnessed a lot of selling pressure. Coming to the stock specific and the sector specific action, banking and realty stocks entered lower on profit booking, and but the trend, the automobile companies rose, especially the Maruti Suzuki India rose more than 2% after the company announced a price hike more than 20,000 rupees per car in coming January. So that gave some positive sentiment in the Maruti Suzuki, and it hit our technical target level of 1,520 levels in last day trading. IT stocks also witnessed some selling pressure. Continued selling pressure was there in IT stock after major IT stocks in the world. Cognizant announced dismal earning outlook in 2013, so that gave some negative sentiment, and we witnessed a major selling pressure in major IT stocks like Hexaware, Infosys, and HCL Technologies. Coming to the today's market, definitely tracking the positive cues from the Asian markets and the US market, we can expect a positive opening, but investors always prefer a profit booking at higher levels. The option data suggesting that 5,900 mark is the major support for the Nifty, and 6,000 level is major hindrance for the Nifty. It indicates that crossing the 6,000 mark and trading beyond 6,000 mark is very crucial and is very difficult for the Nifty. So investors also prefer profit booking ahead of various data release this week. Actually, this is an eventful week because lot of data are coming to the market, especially on Wednesday. Statistical Office will unveil IIP production data on Wednesday, and on Friday we have wholesale price index inflation data will be there in the market. And as we all know, a lot of IPO going on in the market. Last day, the CARE rating agency started its IPO. The major issue, Bharati Infratel, the IPO cost more than 4,500 crore supposed to tap from the market. So it's hit the market today, and it will be there in the coming days. Market is witnessing a lack of aggressive buying because market is lacking its liquidity ahead of the fund withdrawal. So it's a common phenomena during the IPO season. So investors, as I told you, that the investors is always looking forward to the policy reforms also. The last day's FDI approval has given some confidence that the more and more reforms will be implemented during this parliament session itself. Unlike the monsoon section, the winter section is going to be a good one, because some kind of policy action has been taken in this parliament section. So that gave some confidence. Today's parliament section is very crucial as it discussed the major bill on the banking amendment bills. RBI has strictly instructed government to take a decision on the bill first, and they can discuss it on, they can decide whether to approve a new license to the banking or not. So this bill is very crucial. And coming to the technical levels, as I told you that the Nifty is facing major hindrance at 6,000 mark. So crossing above this range and trading above this 6,000 mark will drag the Nifty to the major levels of 6,052 and 6,100 in the coming days also. From the support side, we have a multiple support at 5,905 and 5,850 levels for the Nifty. So what we can do is that this is a bullish market, and as majority of the traders believe, we can expect major moves in the market if these policy reforms are implemented very strongly. So the strategy we can adopt is that we can accumulate stocks when we get a profit booking correction in the market. 5,850 and 5,800 correction is very healthy. So we can accumulate stocks at lower levels for tapping a big profit from the upcoming rally. So that's all from my side. Thank you. Have a nice trading day to all of you.